Hello, my friends. Well, today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite things to do, and that is using up leftovers. Some of you may know that I put myself on a painting schedule where I only pour on Mondays and Tuesdays, and then I post those videos on Fridays and Saturdays. That leaves the rest of the week for me to do other forms of art. I do colored pencil, oil painting, acrylic brush painting, and so on. So I've really grown to love that schedule. I've been far more productive than I was just haphazardly doing art. So I have a variety of paints here. I won't bother explaining what they are except to tell you that they're different mediums. A few of them have silicone in them. Some are ready mixed pour paints. I just don't even know what to expect, but that's half the fun. I haven't even really checked the consistencies to make sure they're all the same, but we'll just play it by ear and see what happens. They're not even great colors together. I have a lot of black. I was experimenting with some metallic black, some ready to pour black, all sorts of oddball colors and custom mixes. I am pouring over this orange flash I did the other day. I'm not attached to it. It was poured over something else, and I don't like to, well, if I know I'm not going to embellish it in any way, I experiment on this type of a pour. So there we go. This one, for example, is Artist Loft ready mixed paint with some silicone in it. There's a pretty metallic blue. I wouldn't normally put these colors together. But it's really fun to use up your leftovers. I like to clear the deck, so I'm not tempted to do any more pouring, and my area, my table is clear to do other things. That one's done. Let's add maybe some white to separate the orange from the blue I'm about to put in. Maybe the rest of this metallic blue. That's done. What's this? And I will oftentimes combine like colors. So maybe a yellow with a yellow ochre, red and orange together. This was some kind of a blend, I don't know what. This has silicone in it, I see by the cup. Sometimes I remember to tell myself what's in the cup, but not always. Knock this off. Almost there. There's the white. Oh, what's this? I thought I was almost done. Okay, I really am almost done. This one and then kind of a teal blue. Okay. Let's see what we get. Kind of combine these finished ones so I have room to tilt and move it around. Okay, I'm ready to pour. Wish me luck. I'll do kind of a traveling straight thing. I like the look of that. Oh, I like this. At this point, look at all those great cells. Too bad they're on the edge. They're going to get tilted off. I'll try to preserve some by going like this. It's going to be wild. Wow. Okay. Wow. It's one of the most active leftover ones I've ever had. I don't believe I have combined ready mix paints with others that I've mixed with Floetrol and who knows what. But here we go. It's already far more interesting than what was underneath there. That's a very interesting form there. I like that. I don't have anything left for a flow extender, or I might have put some around to save that, but I used it all up. It's wild. Look at that. Get to the weight of the paint here to help me get this corner covered down here. It looks like an aerial view of an inlet of some kind. Looks watery to me. Little rock formations. This is a fun corner over here. I'm liking that a lot. This is probably the least interesting. There's just so much of the same thing happening. This is a little more diverse. So I'm going to cover that corner first. Or maybe, no, what I should do is cover this one and then shoot that, and then this will stretch out if anything, and I can get rid of some of that. So let me come back this way. You know, leftovers, I mean, you can go into this with a plan, but when you use leftovers, it's always a surprise, and sometimes it can be a wonderful surprise. I gotta tell you, I'm rather liking this one. Okay, getting the weight of the paint back. Shoot it over there. Who knows how it's going to dry, though, with the mixing of types of paints and mediums and pouring over something for the third time. However, it was just Floetrol and water on that previous pour, so it shouldn't really affect what goes on top of it. Wow. Just playing with composition now. Wow, that is wild. I gotta tell you, it's far more dynamic and exciting than what was under there. I like it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. It's a pretty blue. I can't recall. I'm sure it was some kind of a mix. I think it was Payne's Gray and I don't know what all I added to it, but I'm certain the base of it was Payne's Gray. Kind of a rocky thing going on here. I like those kind of striations there. A little silicone goes a long way. I think I had it in maybe 2 of the black colors. Only, oh, look at this, the blue and the orange. That's nice. Huh. It's odd, but I think I like it. I would like to bring this down. Of course, I took my gloves off, but I am going to tilt this down that way. I'll just take my stick and open up this light blue area just a little. I think it moved a little. I don't know. Oh, there's an ant. Isn't that nice? All right. I'll leave it at that. Okay, my friends, thanks for joining me on this last minute journey. See you next time.